The sun rises once more over rocks that carry the memory of time. Here, before cities were born, before noise had a name, before borders were ever drawn, the earth was untouched, breathing in silence, cradling life without fear. Creatures roamed freely, drinking from crystal-clear rivers, sleeping beneath a sky untouched by human hands. No conflict, no greed, only a delicate balance, a system shaped by nature itself. Until humans came and wrote the final chapter of the story. Hasankeyf is now considered one of the most beautiful and historically rich cities in the world.
For 12,000 years, its rocks, mountains, and trees have stood unbroken, defying time and bearing silent witness to the eternal struggle between history and humankind.
Here, where our ancestors lived for thousands of years, we stand today, guarding their memory and preserving the timeless beauty of the land they left behind. O Hasankeyf, you will stand tall forever.